Hello YouTube and welcome to another MikroTik tutorial. So in this video we're gonna talk about MikroTik scripting. So are you ready? Let's get started. So first thing first, what is MikroTik scripting? So you can think of MikroTik scripting as a built-in automation tool inside your router, okay? So for example, instead of manually typing commands every time something happens, you can automate tasks, monitor events, react to, for example, network changes. So actually MikroTik scripting is a built-in logic. So it's kind of if else then loops and variables, okay? So it's like having a small programming language inside your router, okay? So we're gonna see here some concrete examples that you can use this actually scripting language inside your MikroTik, okay? So let's begin by doing simple actually script that automate the backup of your configuration, okay? So we're gonna start. So first thing first is to create the script. So in order to create the script, it's pretty easy. You go to your system menu here, okay? Then inside the system menu, you will notice there is a scripting actually sub menu, okay? So let me click on the scripting sub menu here. Okay, so here I have actually a lot of scripts that I'm using, but let's create simple script that actually will back up our configuration every time. For example, every 6 minutes or every 6 hours. It depends on your needs, okay? So we're gonna click this new in order to create a new script. Here we go. So you can name your script whatever you want. So for example, let me call it script backup because I want to back up actually my configuration, okay? So I will leave here the default don't require permission, for example, as it is. And here in the source, we're gonna simply paste the script that will actually back up your configuration, okay? So let's simply actually paste here the commands. So as you can see here, the commands are pretty obvious. System backup, save, name, daily backup. So here it's saving actually a backup of our configuration, and the name of the file will be daily backup. So of course you can name it whatever you want, okay? And here the export file is auto export, okay? So also you can name it whatever you want, but let's focus for example on this daily backup name here, okay? So this is actually the name of the backup and file is auto export, but I can also name it daily export if you want, okay? So here we go. We're gonna save that or apply that, and just for testing the script I'm gonna run the script, okay? So let's run the script. Here we go. So you can see here the run count is 1 because I just click on this run script one time. So let's verify that actually the file has been created in our system, okay? So in order to see that, we're gonna this time go to our file here, files menu. Here we go, and indeed here we have our export file which called daily export, okay? And also the daily backup file, okay? So this daily export actually you can read it with any text editor, and this backup can only be read using your MikroTik actually router, okay? So here we are sure that our script is running, okay? But as I told you, I want to automate this task, so I have to schedule this backup to run periodically, okay? So we can do that also inside our router very easily, okay? So here all I have to do is to catch or have the name of our script. So if I go to system script, you can see that our script is called script backup that we have just created. So we have to retain this name, okay, because we're gonna need it in order to run it periodically. Okay, so let's go this time to our system and we're gonna head to scheduler. So with scheduler will allows us to execute our script in periodic time. So let's click on the scheduler. Okay, so I have already some tasks that are running in specific order. Okay, so let's create a new scheduler. Okay, here we go. So here I can name it whatever I want. So let's also name it, for example, schedule daily backup. Okay, and simply here you have to specify the interval. If you want to run it one day, every 1 day, or every 6 hours, you can do it here. Okay, so me, for example, I want to run it every 6 hours. So all I have to do here, I have to make here 6, which means 6 hours. If you want to run it every minute, you can just simple input here 6 in the minutes tab. Okay, so I want to run it every 6 hours. Okay, and events, here you have to input the name of your script. So for me it was script underscore backup, simply as that. So this is our scheduler. So if now I hit apply, you can see it has been added to the list of our actually scheduler, and this is it at the end. So you can see here the next run will be on actually this night on 32 hour. Okay, so here the round count is never been executed or never been scheduled actually. So when it hits this time, it will run automatically. So you can see how useful the scripting on the MikroTik are actually. Okay, you can, for example, create actually another script that will allows you to see if your ISP goes down. But in this case, for example, you have to have 2 WAN connections. So if one fails, you will get through the second one actually an email or log if you want, and you can run this, for example, every 5 seconds or so with scheduler. So we'll be sure what happens. So we can use your scheduler or actually your script to send you whatever you want. It can send you actually messages, okay, via an email or via Telegram, for example, or WhatsApp. Okay, it can also use the scripting to actually make notification on your logs. So you have a multitude of choices to use this scripting actually features on the MikroTik router. Okay, so that was just a brief video to show you how you can use the scripting language inside the MikroTik router. So don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends if you like it. And of course, if you have any question, you can leave them in the comment below. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.